Minor videography glitch there. We went ahead and ended that one. So we're going to pick right up where we inadvertently stopped the last one. So I'm getting ready to load up one of these sieves, I guess, with soil. This one happens to be from the football field. So I simply just going to take a sample of this. I got a scoop here, and it doesn't really matter if I get grass and whatnot in it. I'll take some of it out if it's too big. I'll just grab some of that out. But it might even be easier just to use my hand on this. We'll just fill this up. And it is moist. It's not wet, but it's definitely moist. Looks like it maybe like yesterday's or this morning's irrigation on it. And as I said before, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter how much soil we have on there. We just pretty much fill it up. I don't need to pat it down. I can leave this in here. It's really not even critical. I'm just going to go ahead and put that on. You can put it on any way you want. One side's just like another. And that's how we're going to do all of them. So I'll fill another one up with this. As you can see, some soil will come out the bottom. We really don't care. We'll try to make sure that we don't have too much fallout. Put this on like that, and then I'll show you how these things work when we get them on the funnel. So I'm going to go ahead and load up the other 7, and then we'll get them all on the funnel set up, and you can see how that machine works. We'll turn the lights on, and we'll be ready to go. So here we are looking at our apparatus here, and we wrote it up here on top so that we would know what it is. Burley's Tolgren type micro arthropod extractor. It's pretty impressive, huh? So we've got 8 of them running. You can kind of see up here. You might be able to see better. We've got just a little like a garage light, a simple garage light that we modified. Put a weak light bulb in it. Here's our sample sitting up there. You see them also down below. And we turned them on. We're going to leave them sit for just a little bit. Probably won't turn them on today, but it's pretty warm. So about 48 hours, these things will draw out quite quickly. And so you can also see underneath here that we've just got some distilled water and just a little simple block to kind of hold them up underneath the funnels. They really won't go anyplace. Hopefully they won't, unless somebody really bugs them. So the microorganisms will fall down through here as they dry out, and then we'll collect them down here. And then when we're all said and done with this, we can just cap that off and carry it around with us. And if they're still, some of them will still be alive, depending on how long we wait. Some of them may not. But we'll still be able to get a good look at them in the microscope. So that's kind of the apparatus, relatively simple, but pretty cool. And hopefully we'll get some really good results out of these 4 different environments that we've collected. So we will see you in at least a week, maybe 2 weeks, for some analyzing of this.